welcome to Mickey Art. So today is kind of just a little bit of a fill-in. Aiden and I had a big play with paint yesterday and it's not quite dry, so I can't show it to you yet. So I'm just gonna pop this one in here today and then you guys can see that one tomorrow. But what I wanted to show you was how our playtime dried. So some of you joined me on the live event on the 16th, 15th America time, 16th New Zealand time, and check it out, it dried. Are you surprised? Very few of my paintings don't dry as they were left at the end of the wet portion. I still can only see the whale breaching. It's not puffed its puffer up, and I so wanted to push a hole through and like go pfft and see where the paint landed, but yeah, no. That would have been funny because it would have gone straight up towards the camera and you guys would have gone ah! Anyway, I really like this. We've got the bronze shimmering. We've got quite a bit of bronze coming through. Got some of the silver coming through. Over here, this stuff is so pretty. Look at this. It's so like the sea. It's pretty, but it's definitely sunset. You know, the colors of the sunset reflecting onto the water, and oh, yummy. I like it. Do you? Of course, it doesn't really matter if you don't, because I do, and that's the important bit. But I like to ask because I like you guys to comment and say hi and let me know what you think. And so what do we do next? We did these cardy things, didn't we? I did a smush thing, a smushathon, right in the middle of our creation. I really like this one. This one's funky. This one, I can see a bird. Look at this. It's like a hummingbird with its feet proboscis in the plant. You know what I mean? Blah blah. Hibiscus hummingbird with its beak in there. It's so pretty. I hope you can see that because it's cool. This one, it's a bit plain. It's got some interest in it, and I had been having a think about what we could do with what I could do with these, and because they're on reasonably solid card, Rick suggested perhaps selling them as mini arts or giving them away. Could, you know, write thanks for buying my painting on the back when somebody buys a painting. But the other thing I thought of doing was you could fold them in half and punch a hole in the corner, and then you've got a little present card. How cool is that? I like that idea. That's kind of fun. So let's just pop through this one. This has got lots of bronze in it. It's very cool. Kind of looks like some sort of beast coming out the corner, but that's probably because I've been watching far too many kids movies with my children. This one again probably will end up as a present card. Nothing extremely exciting on that one. This one's pretty though. Look at the bronze and the, or is it bronze or copper? I can never tell the difference. I think it might actually be copper. Does anyone remember? It's got that burgundy happening in the back there. It's pretty. Right, so that's those. What else did we do? We did a big card. It's almost the size. It's kind of, what would that be? If that's 8, so it'd be about 7 3/4 by 9 1/2. I really like this piece here. That's pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. All these pieces are available for sale if anybody wants them. I don't think anyone's put their hand up for anything yet, so let's have a look at the cabochons. This one. I like this one. This one's cool. Check it out. Lots of silver on that one. Very cool. That one. And last but not least, because I really like this one, there we go. Check it out. Uh-oh. Watch out for the dogs running for the microwave. Truck reversing. One of my wonderful viewers messaged one day and she's like, when your husband's truck started reversing, my dogs ran to the microwave thinking it was ready. Glenn's like, I'm never checking if you're painting again. That's brilliant. I told him he's not allowed to let the staff scream and yell and stuff while I'm painting though. Reversing's fine. I'll put up with reversing. So there you go, guys. What do you reckon? Got that one and then all of those. It was fun. I have fun playing with you guys. And if you want to come and join me next time, make sure you're subscribed. Hit the bell button so that it notifies you that I'm going live. And you can have a heads up email. This is the only way you'll get a heads up, is to sign up on my email list. Other than that, how much fun can you have? I adore you. I'm so grateful that you all played with me on this video. There'll be a link somewhere, I don't know, probably in the end screen to that video. And you can go watch it being made if you've missed it. I adore you. Have fun. And I will see you again super, super soon. Like tomorrow when that other painting's dry. Catch you later. Bye.